Hi everyone, this is the Vnish team. Let's go through the installation of Antminer T21. Start Toolkit. Open New Ranges group. Enter name, IP address, ports. Click Save and Scan. Open Group for scanning, select the miner. Next, click Commands. Install firmware. Enter firmware name, install version, select the file on the device. We have a custom port, so we specify 8774 for installation. Model detection is automatic. Install, confirm installation. The installation process is started. Installation is complete. We wait for the miner to restart and run our firmware. It takes about 30 seconds until it restarts, and we get all our data. Toolkit will update the network after a minute, and we will get all new data from the miner. Since there are no pools configured, the miner is now waiting for our actions. Open the dashboard, we have no pools, and we have to customize the settings here. Find out more additional information about the functionality of our software on our social media. You will find all useful links in the description below the video. If you want to increase the efficiency of your miners, contact us or download the right firmware on our official website. We wish you high profits.